Hello and welcome to Dr. Ahmed Samir Insights, where we simplify tools and techniques to enhance your business skills. Today we're diving into root cause analysis, a fundamental method for solving problems effectively. Let's explore two popular techniques, the 5 Whys and the Fishbone Diagram. Have you ever had a problem pop up again and again? Frustrating, right? It's like no matter what you do, the issue keeps resurfacing, causing stress and wasting time. You might feel like you're stuck in a never-ending loop, trying to put out fires instead of finding a permanent solution. This is a common scenario in both personal and professional settings. But what if there was a way to break this cycle? That's where root cause analysis comes in handy. RCA is a systematic process for identifying the underlying causes of problems. Instead of just addressing the symptoms, RCA helps you dig deeper to uncover the root cause. This method is widely used in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, to improve processes and prevent recurring issues. Think of it like being a detective for problems. Just as a detective gathers clues and pieces together evidence to solve a mystery, RCA involves collecting data, analyzing information, and identifying patterns. By adopting a detective mindset, you can uncover hidden issues that might not be immediately apparent. Instead of just fixing the symptom, we want to find out why the problem happened in the first place. Asking why multiple times is a key technique in RCA. RCA is a powerful tool for problem solving that goes beyond quick fixes. RCA encourages a thorough examination of the problem, considering all possible factors and influences. This comprehensive approach ensures that the solutions you implement are effective and sustainable. RCA helps us stop problems before they start. Imagine a leaky faucet. You might notice water dripping into a bucket and your first instinct might be to empty the bucket regularly. But this doesn't solve the problem, it just manages the symptom. To truly fix the issue, you need to find the source of the leak. You could keep mopping up the water. This is similar to how we often handle problems in our daily lives. We focus on the immediate issue, applying temporary fixes that provide short-term relief. However, these solutions don't address the underlying cause, so the problem keeps coming back. Or you could use RCA to find the leaky pipe and fix it for good. By taking the time to investigate and understand the root cause, you can implement a solution that resolves the issue permanently. This approach not only saves time and resources, but also improves overall efficiency and effectiveness. RCA is a problem-solving superpower. It empowers individuals and teams to tackle challenges head-on and find lasting solutions. By adopting RCA, you can transform your approach to problem-solving, moving from reactive to proactive. This shift in mindset can lead to significant improvements in performance, quality, and satisfaction. It helps us learn from mistakes and make things better. By analyzing past problems and identifying their root causes, we can gain valuable insights and prevent similar issues in the future. This continuous learning process fosters a culture of improvement and innovation. RCA not only helps solve current problems, but also builds a foundation for long-term success. One RCA technique is called 5 Whys. It's a simple yet powerful tool used to uncover the root cause of a problem by asking why 5 times. This method was originally developed by Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota Industries, and has since become a cornerstone of lean manufacturing and problem-solving techniques across various industries. Remember being a kid always asking why? This is similar. Kids have an innate curiosity that drives them to understand the world around them. They ask why, not to be annoying but to learn and make sense of their environment. The 5 Whys technique taps into this natural curiosity, encouraging us to dig deeper and not settle for superficial answers. Let's say your bike keeps getting a flat tire. At first glance it might seem like a simple issue, but by using the 5 Whys technique, we can uncover the underlying causes that are contributing to this recurring problem. Why? There's a nail in the tire. This is the immediate cause, but it doesn't explain why the nail ended up there in the first place. Why? I rode through construction debris. This gives us more context, but we still need to dig deeper to understand the root cause. Why? The construction site had no warning signs. Now we're getting somewhere. The absence of warning signs is a significant factor, but we need to ask more questions to get to the bottom of it. Why? They forgot to put them up. This points to a human error, but we need to understand why this mistake happened. Why? Their sign inventory system is disorganized. Finally, we've identified a systemic issue that is the root cause of the problem. The disorganized inventory system led to the absence of warning signs, which in turn caused the bike to ride through construction debris and get a flat tire. See? By asking why 5 times, we found the root cause wasn't just the nail, but a disorganized system. This method helps us move beyond surface-level symptoms and address the underlying issues that are causing the problem. The 5 whys technique is simple but mighty. It empowers individuals and teams to systematically break down complex problems and find actionable solutions. By continuously asking why, we can identify and eliminate the root causes, leading to more effective and sustainable problem solving. It helps us see the whole picture. When we understand the root cause, we can implement changes that prevent the problem from recurring, ultimately improving processes and outcomes. So next time you face a problem, channel your inner curious kid and start asking why. Another cool tool is the fishbone diagram, also called an Ishikawa diagram. This diagram is a visual representation that helps teams identify, explore, and display the possible causes of a specific problem. It's particularly useful in brainstorming sessions where the goal is to uncover root causes rather than just symptoms. By organizing potential causes into categories, it allows for a structured approach to problem solving. This method is widely used in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, because of its simplicity and effectiveness. It looks like a fish skeleton, hence the name. The diagram starts with a central spine and branches out into bones that represent different categories of potential causes. These categories can be tailored to fit the specific problem you're addressing. Common categories include methods, materials, equipment, and people. Each bone can then be broken down further into more specific causes, creating a detailed map of potential issues. The head is our problem. This is where you write down the main issue you're trying to solve. It's important to clearly define the problem so that everyone involved understands exactly what you're trying to address. A well-defined problem statement sets the stage for effective brainstorming and analysis. The bones are the potential causes. These are the factors that could be contributing to the problem. By categorizing these causes, you can systematically explore each one and determine its impact on the issue. This helps in identifying not just the obvious causes but also the less apparent ones that might be overlooked in a less structured approach. Let's say our problem is cake didn't rise. This is a common issue in baking and it can be caused by a variety of factors. By using a fishbone diagram, we can systematically explore all the possible reasons why the cake didn't turn out as expected. Some major bones could be ingredients, measurements, equipment, and method. Each of these categories can have multiple sub-causes that need to be examined. Ingredients. Was the baking powder old? The freshness of ingredients can significantly impact the outcome of a recipe. If the baking powder is past its expiration date, it may not provide the necessary leavening action, causing the cake to remain flat. Measurements. Did we measure the flour correctly? Accurate measurements are crucial in baking. Too much or too little flour can affect the texture and rise of the cake. Using the correct measuring tools and techniques ensures consistency and accuracy. Equipment. Was the oven at the right temperature? Oven temperature plays a critical role in baking. If the oven is too hot or too cold, it can affect the rise and texture of the cake. It's important to preheat the oven and use an oven thermometer to ensure the correct temperature. Method. Did we forget to preheat the oven? Preheating the oven is a crucial step in baking. If the oven isn't preheated, the cake may not bake evenly, leading to poor rise and texture. Following the correct method ensures that all steps are properly executed. We write down all the possible causes on the bones. This visual representation helps us see the relationships between different causes and the main problem. It also allows us to prioritize which causes to investigate further. This helps us see everything at once. By having a comprehensive view of all potential causes, we can develop a more effective action plan to address the problem. The fishbone diagram not only helps in identifying the root causes, but also in communicating the findings to the team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Picking your tool, whys or bones. So when do you use 5 whys versus a fishbone diagram? 5 whys is great for simpler problems. It's like a quick chat with your problem. Fishbone diagrams are better for complex problems. They help us map out lots of possibilities. Think of it like this. 5 whys is a flashlight while a fishbone diagram is a spotlight. Both are useful, but we use them in different situations. Root cause analysis in action from factories to hospitals. RCA is a superstar in many different fields: manufacturing, finding out why a machine keeps breaking down; healthcare, understanding why medical errors occur; business, figuring out why customers are unhappy; technology, discovering why a software program keeps crashing. No matter the field, RCA helps us improve and do better. Tips for top-notch root cause analysis. Here are some tips for being an RCA pro. Be open-minded, don't jump to conclusions. Get different perspectives. Ask others for their input. Use data. Don't rely on guesses, use evidence. Document everything. Keep track of your findings. Remember, the goal is to find the real cause, not just a quick fix. Become a root cause detective. Root cause analysis is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to solve problems effectively. By using techniques like the 5 Whys and the Fishbone Diagram, we can stop problems from happening over and over. So the next time you have a problem, don't just put a bandage on it. Put on your detective hat, grab your RCA toolkit, and get to the root of the issue. Are you ready to master root cause analysis and apply these techniques today? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. See you next time on Dr. Ahmed Samir Insights.